Dear friends, Vagarthaviva Sampraktau, Vagartha Pratipattaye, Jagatah Pitaro Vande, Parvati Parameshwara. This is the very first verse of Raghuvamsha Mahakavya of Kalidasa. It says, Shiva and Parvati are united like word and its meaning. How you are not able to separate word from its meaning. Every time you utter a word, the meaning goes with it. Vak, Artha, Viva, Samprakta, they are united. Why? To explain, to help us to understand the meaning. Jagatah Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwara. To such Parvati and Parameshwara, we offer our salutations. Friends, today we have seen such beautiful art presented here by all our artists and students. I'm so happy to see some of our students performing here. And the Kalidasas, that they just to tell you, we teach Sanskrit here at the Bhavan. Those of you who are influenced by this beauty of Sanskrit, you are most welcome to come and learn Sanskrit here at the Bhavan. We have got 4 different teachers. I am also one amongst them. Many of my Sanskrit students are here. I am so happy to see Lady Bagri here and our friends from Sangam Center with whom we are working. Bhavan and Sangam Center together, we are conducting classes. Here at the Bhavan, we teach 23 different subjects under one roof. Music, dance, drama, yoga, languages. You name the subject, we teach here. Similarly, at Sangam Center from September, most of our teachers, full-time teachers, they will be going there to teach our diploma classes also. More details you can have from Sangam Center, and also our leaflets are available here. Please do take those leaflets. Bhavan is here to serve the cause of our culture, and you are helping us. It will strengthen our hand so that we may serve it even better. And once again, Bhaskarji, thank you very much. All artists, you are doing such a wonderful job. Thank you. Please come again and again to Bhavan, to our activities. There are many interesting programs, and we hope to see you here more often. Soon, Bhavan Summer School will start. Leaflets are available outside. Namaste.
নমস্কার, গুড ইভিনিং। লন্ডন কালীবাড়ির তরফ থেকে আমি আবার আপনাদের স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। Hopefully you all are enjoying this performance very much, as we all are, I'm sure. Just to tell you a bit about our London Kalibari. This organization was formed in 1981 and was granted charity status in 1982. Since then, we are trying to develop a permanent community center to worship Ma Kali. We hold regular events, but ladies and gentlemen, we are still trying. To achieve this goal, we need more members, we need much more fund, we need to attract young active volunteers. The list of need grows as we grow in age. To raise funds, London Kalibari regularly holds religious ceremonies, cultural events, workshops, yoga, music and dance classes, and Monday luncheon club in our temporary community hall in Harrow. We can't compete with Bhavan, but we are also there if you can support us. We'll be grateful for that. And there are times when groups such as Chandon comes forward and lends us a helping hand. London Kalibari shared the same stage in November 2011. We once again are privileged to have Chandon supporting London Kalibari. The quality of the past performances has attracted you all here today. You are the testament to their success. I will not take any more of your time, but hand you over once again to Dr. Bhaskar Dasgupta and his team, and Bhaskar Dasgupta, who is at the helm of Chandon. So ladies and gentlemen, let's enjoy it.
Thank you very much. I certainly don't intend to come between you and what I think you would enjoy as an interesting second half. So without further ado, we get on with the proceedings. Thank you.
Hello there. Hello. I'm terribly sorry to bother you, but I was wondering if you could help me. You see, I'm new to this big city and terribly lost. Would you kindly help me? Of course. Where would you like to get to? Thank you so much. You see, My name is Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore. I'm an Indian, and I'm in London looking for Mr. William Yeats. An honour, coincidence. I am William Yeats. I was going to India to meet with you. Come with me. I'll take you to an evening of poetry, where I can introduce you to many British poets. I've been so impressed by your poems.
Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sands of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee
into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Hallelujah. now the same Rabindranath, a man who looked like Jesus Christ. His book of songs, Gitanjali, took the West by total surprise. They read him on buses, on trains and trams, and gave him India's first Nobel Prize.
A prolific artist with word, tune, and brush, he built a hermitage like none other at Shantiniketan, the abode of peace, where people respected one another. Compassion, courage, and charisma made him the toast of leaders of men, from Gandhi and Nehru to Einstein, politicians, poets, and noblemen.
Rabindra Sangit was his genre, songs of joy, praise, and ecstasy, with national anthems for 2 countries.
সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি
গগনে গরজে মেঘ ঘন বর্ষা কুলে একা বসে আছি নাহি ভরসা রাশি রাশি ভাড়া ভাড়া ধান কাটা হলো সারা ভরা নদী কুড়ো গাড়া খড় বর্ষা কাটিতে কাটিতে ধান এলো বর্ষা একখানি ছোট ক্ষেত আমি একেলা চারিদিকে বাঁকা জল পড়েছে বড় পারে দেখি আঁকা তরু ছায়া বসি মাখা গ্রাম খানি মেঘে ডাকা প্রভাত বেলা এ বাড়িতে ছোট ক্ষেত আমি গান গেয়ে তড়িবে কে আসে পারে দেখে যেন মনে হয় চিনিও হারে ভরা পালে চলে যায় কোনো দিকে নাহি যায় ঢেউ বলি নিরুপায় ভাঙে দুধারে দেখে যেন মনে হয় চিনি উহারে ওগো তুমি কোথা যাও কোন বিদেশে বাড়ি ফিরাও তরি কুলেতে এসে যেও যেথা যেথা চাও যারে খুশি তারে লও শুধু তুমি নিয়ে যাও তরি এসে আমার সোনার ধান কুলেতে এসে যত চাও তত লও তরুণী পরে আর আছে আর নাই দিয়েছি বলে এতকাল নদী কুলে যাহা লয়েছিল বলে সকলে দিলাম ফুলে ঘরে এখন আমারই করুণা করে ঠাই নাই ছোট সে তরি আমারই সোনার ধানে গিয়েছে শ্রাবণ গগন ঘিরে ঘন মেঘ ঘুরে ফিরে শূন্য নদীর তীরে দক্ষিণ করে যাহা কিছু নিয়ে গেল সোনা যাহা কিছু নিয়ে গেল সোনা
Thank you.
Sir Muhammad Iqbal, Shair-e-Mashriq, remembered today as the voice of the East. A classical poet in Persian and Urdu, a philosopher, scholar, and an inspired high priest of his Eastern Gulistan, an overwhelming pride in the land of his fathers, captured in his national song, Sare Jahan Se Acha.
Gopaldas Neeraj, a name regarded in India with great veneration, recited and deservedly honoured, a foremost Hindi poet of his generation. He wrote many poems, but also in films, songs which are truly लाजवाब.
शोखियों में गोला जाए फूलों का शबाब, उसमें फिर मिलाए जाए थोड़ी सी शराब, होगा यूं नशा जो तैयार, वो प्यार है.
नजरुल मेरे गुल utterly beautiful तूने कमाल किया भाई नजरुल मेरे गुल बिल्कुल truthful तूने कमाल किया
No, 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 chapa. Shama
ecstasy of creation. Eye flashes, face flushes, a torrent of molten blood gushes. The ecstasy of creation. From the desolate molten core forms a giant tidal bore, seething, frothing, smashing door, bringing laughter, bringing pain, winning freedom, breaking chain, forming words that break my heart, feeding pleasure only pain can start. A barren, plundered, self-aware in the ecstasy of creation.
A world of darkness, tears and sighs, walked by dead men with sightless eyes, swept by swollen cyclonic seas, trying spear celestial, comets, meteors
in conflagration, blaze to earth, overrun creation, toxic sight and smell of strife, joy of flowers brought back to life with the ecstasy of creation.
আজ সৃষ্টি সুখের উল্লাসে, আজ সৃষ্টি সুখের উল্লাসে, মোর মুখ হাসে, মোর চোখ হাসে, মোর টক বগিয়ে খুন হাসে, আজ সৃষ্টি সুখের উল্লাসে। আজকে আমার রুদ্ধ প্রাণের পল্ললে পান্ডেকে ওই জাগলো জোয়ার, দুয়ার ভাঙা কল্লোলে। আসলো হাসি, আসলো কাঁদন, মুক্তি এলো, আসলো বাদন, মুখ ফুটে আজ বুক ফাটে, মোর তিক্ত দুঃখের সুখ আসে, ওই রিক্ত বুকের দুঃখ আসে, আজ সৃষ্টি সুখের উল্লাসে। সৃষ্টি ছাড়া খুব ফাটা শ্বাস করল সাগর, তুললো আকাশ, ছুটলো বাতাস, গগন ফেটে চক্র চটে, বিনা প্রাণীর সুর হাসে, ওই ঘুমকে দুয়ার উল্টাতে চাই, সৃষ্টিটাকে উল্টাতে। আজ তাই দেখি আর চোখে আমার লক্ষ্য ফুল হাসে, আজ সৃষ্টি সুখে আসলো আগুন, প্রশ্ন কাকুন, মদন মারে কোন মাথাতু, পলাশ অশোক শিমুল খায়, বাংলাকে ওই দিক পাশে, গৌদিক পালিকার দিক পাশে, আজ ভ্রমণ এলো অঙ্গনে, অঙ্গনে মোর চারপাশে, আজ সৃষ্টি সুখের উল্লাসে। আজ কপট কোপের সুন্দরী ওই আসলো যত সুন্দরী, কারোর পায়ে বুক ডলাকুন, কেউ বা আগুন, কেউ মানিনি, চোখের জলে বুক ফাটে, তাদের প্রাণের বুক ফাটে, তাও মুখ ফোটে না, পানির বিনা মোর পাশে, ওই তাদের কথা শোনাই তাই আমার চোখে জল আসে, আজ সৃষ্টি আসলো বর্ষা, সন্ধ্যা দুপুর, আসলো নিকট, আসলো সুদূর, আসলো বাধা বন্ধ হারা ছন্দ মাধুর, বাংলা গজন উচ্ছ্বাসে, ওই আসলো আশির শিউরে শিউরে, আসলো শিশির কাছে, আজ সৃষ্টি উল্লাসে। সাগর আসলো গরু, কাঁপলো ভূধর কানন গরু, বিশ্ব ডুবান আসলো তুফান, মুছলে উঠে ওই রবিদের গান বাজে, মোট গাইলে শিশু সদ্য জাতু, লড়াই করা বাম পাশে, মন ছুটছে গোয়ান, কলকাহারা অশ্ব যেন বাংলাসে, আজ সৃষ্টি সুখের উল্লাসে, আজ সৃষ্টি সুখের উল্লাসে।
তুমি কি আসবে
name Butcher holds us enthralled for one and all, from near and far. The romantic poet and his demigod son, Jesus Christ and superstar. But where do we start? With Amitabh or Abhishek?
Or the ladies, Jaya or Aishwarya Rai.
Tonight's the night of the patriarch, the magnificent poems of Harivansh Rai. The Persian Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam inspired his Indian mantra.
मृदु भावों के अंगूरों की आज बना लाया हाला। ladies and gentlemen, we take you back to Bengal, and we take you back to one of the great of the four poets who really adorned the Bengali cultural scene. He spent a lot of his time in northern India, in Varanasi, in Lucknow, and he imbibed this classical idiom. And we are really so fortunate to have his genre of music that we bring you an excellent specimen of today. So ladies and gentlemen, we bring you Atul Prasadi song.
Ke go gahile pathe esho pathe boliya duar খুলিলো যাবে কেন গেলে চলিয়া কে গো গাহিলে পথে এসো পথে বলিয়া দুয়ার খুলিলো যাবে কেন গেলে চলিয়া কে গো গাহিলে পথে এসো পথে বলিয়া বিজন বরসারা একই ছলনা বিজন বরসারা একই ছলনা আধারে মিলালে তুমি মারে গো জ্বলিয়া দুয়ার খুলিলো যাবে কেন গেলে চলিয়া কে গো গাহিলে পথে এসো পথে বলিয়া কে গো গাহিলে পথে এসো পথে বলিয়া ঝড়ের বাতাসে আর রুধিতে পারি না দাঁড় পথে ঝড় ঘরে ডার পথে ঝড় ঘরে ডার হাতে প্রেম ভুলহার ঝড়ের বাতাসে আর রুধিতে পারি না দাঁড় পথে ঝড় ঘরে ডার পথে ঝড় ঘরে ডার হাতে প্রেম ভুলহার শ্রবণে নীলালো গান হৃদয়ে রহিল দান শ্রবণে নীলালো গান হৃদয়ে রহিল দান তোমারি লাগিয়া আখি উঠিছে উছলিয়া দুয়ার খুলিলো যাবে কেন গেলে চলিয়া কে গো গাহিলে পথে এসো পথে বলিয়া কে গো গাহিলে পথে এসো পথে বলিয়া
Jai Ho Gulzar, you are one in a million. The furry chain to my life, the army of my strife. The man for all seasons, for every motion. Composer supreme of lyrics awesome. From hardy Burman to A.R. Rahman, tu jaisa koi nahi, Jai Ho Gulzar, not just 1 in a million, but trillion.
Poetry's not always love and romance. It's often the sword of the revolutionary, a rousing call for change and justice, the utopian dream of the visionary. Such a poet was Kaifi Azmi. His Urdu ghazals raised social consciousness, the miserable plight of the downtrodden, their poverty and unhappiness.
कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों
अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। जिंदा रहने की मौसम बहुत है मगर जान देने की रात रोज आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, कर चले हम फिदा जानो तुम साथियों।
सुनो दुनिया वालों, या मुझको भी चुप रहने दो। मैं गम को खुशी कैसे कह दूं, जो कहते हैं उनको कहने दो। या दिल की सुनो दुनिया वालों, या मुझको भी चुप रहने दो। मैं गम को खुशी कैसे कह दूं, जो कहते हैं उनको कहने दो। या दिल की सुनो दुनिया वालों। ये फूल चमन में कैसा खिला, ये फूल चमन में कैसा खिला। मारी की नजर में प्यार नहीं, हंसते हुए क्या क्या देख लिया। अब बहते हैं आंसू बहने दो। या दिल की सुनो दुनिया वालों। एक ख्वाब खुशी का देखा नहीं, एक ख्वाब खुशी का देखा नहीं। देखा जो कभी तो भूल गए, माना हुआ तुम्हें कुछ दे न सके, जो तुमने सहने दो। या दिल की सुनो दुनिया वालों। या दर्द किसी का लेगा कोई, या दर्द किसी का लेगा कोई। इतना तो किसी में दर्द नहीं, बहते हुए आंसू और बहे। अब ऐसी तसल्ली रहने दो। या दिल की सुनो दुनिया वालों, या मुझको भी चुप रहने दो। मैं गम को खुशी कैसे कह दूं, जो कहते हैं उनको कहने दो। या दिल की सुनो दुनिया वालों।
Ladies and gentlemen, we now bring you a couple of pieces from the Ghazal King, Jagjit Singh.
अभी कुछ बेकरार
In the stillness of the troubled night, I gaze and see them shining bright. I touch the stars, they hold me tight. Sleep, my stars, I will surely fall.
In Hollywood, Bollywood, if I could be a hero, I really would. Be a vamp or villain or dance with Helen, where dreams come true. In Hollywood, Bollywood. Writing scripts for actors, the great Javed Akhtar, or villainous lines for Gabbar Singh, from films like Sholay, that still bring 3 cheers and Talia!
ये कहाँ
Morning, Jeeves. I need a full English breakfast today. And do you know why? Because I am in love. My heart's in tune, the birds are singing, and the leaves on the trees are dancing. The moon, last night, above the river, rose just like my love, round and soulful. Who was that bloke, Jeeves, who wrote those rum words about music?
If you are referring to the medieval poet, Mr. William Shakespeare, also known as the Bard of Avon, and widely accepted as the finest writer in the English language, he wrote, "If music be the food of love, play on." He also wrote, "He who hath no music in his heart is fit for treason, stratagems, and spoils." How would you like your toast, sir? White or granary brown?
Brown, please, Jeeves, with some hot Darjeeling tea. Clever bloke, this Bill. Did he have anything useful to say on poetry? I might need the lines tonight.
If, sir, I may refer you to a well-known 20th century poet, a certain Mr. T.S. Eliot, he felt that music and poetry were twin souls. Poetry was living thought, an endless adventure. A lot of Eliot's inspiration derived from Indian scriptures like Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, and Sanskrit poetry, better known today as Kavita.
That's splendid, old sport. Good food for thought. Lovely breakfast as well. We've got to go now. Can't spend the whole day talking to you, Jeeves, about poetry and music. Toodaloo.
Always endeavour to give satisfaction, Mr. Worcester. Have a good day.
Let
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for all your patience and your forbearance, for enjoying, I hope, the program that we tried to bring you a snapshot of really Indian poetry through the ages. Thank you very much. It is... Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. It is my great pleasure now to introduce to you the artists today who have made this program possible. So if I start with the dancers, can we have Mukti Mukku, please? Suchitra Kabra. If I may now introduce our vocalists first. We have Shruti Dasgupta. We have Preeta Banerjee. We have Dalia Dasgupta. And really our Guruji in all matters musical, I have my sister, Pratyusha Chaudhary. We have Mamata Lahiri. We have Imtiaz Ahmed. And there's me as well. If I may introduce now our tabla players. We have Gurben Rayat, Srinivasan Rao. We have Shmaib on the flute. And we have, of course, the youngest member of our troupe, on the Mandira. Give a big hand to Ashwini. On the keyboard, violin, the amazing, I can only describe it as genius. I would now like to introduce the actors. So, first of all, can we have Nilan? Big hand. Tunu? Onirman. And we have Oditi Chumki. And we have, of course, on the recitation, the amazing two pieces that the Indian rap, as it is called. We have Kanchan Dasgupta. We have, I would like to thank the Bhavan for having given us the privilege of staging this program. We try and do this every year and a half to meet with all our professional commitments. We'd like to thank the Kalibari for also giving us the inspiration. I'd particularly like to mention Kanu Roy, because I think he is the person that he keeps really telling us that you need to do something and you need to do something. And so please give, is Kanada, are you here? Yes. So please give a big hand. And I would like to thank Bhavan's director, Nandaji. Thank you, Nanda. And we have my and thank you to Kalibadi and to Tuldi. And I hope you have enjoyed this evening. And please have a very, very safe journey home. I know it's late, but I hope it's been worth it.